Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save an AutoCAD file in a lesser version so that it can be opened in any version of AutoCAD that you wish. As you can see, I have a file open, and when I open the file to save it, save as, and suppose file name, and then files of type, I have the 2018 version. So normally it will be set to the version that you're using. But if you want to, most of the people have versions above 2007, whether it is 2010, 2012, 2015, 2016. So it is always safer for you to keep it open in a not a very old version, at least 2007 version. Save. Okay, but the problem with this kind saving it this way is this only the specific drawing that I have open, only that drawing will be the one that gets saved in the 2007 version. Now if I open another drawing, and now if I'm going to be opening this drawing as well in an older version, then I'll have to keep opening every single drawing that I'm going to be using in a lower version and keep saving it. So a permanent solution for this is you go into options, and under options you go into open and save, and under file save and save as, you can save it to 2007 version. So after apply, okay. So after this, every drawing that you work on and the drawing that you keep saving, that drawing will keep getting saved in a 2007 version. So you won't have any issues when you send the drawing to someone else for using it, or whether you want to open in another system. This will be a permanent and an easy solution. Thank you for watching. Do keep watching this space for more such videos, and if there are any requests regarding any drawing, please do comment in the please do type them in the comments below. I'll try my best to do them. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.